Hello students, today we are going to learn brand elements. This topic is taken from Brand Management TYBMS semester 6. What are brand elements? Brand elements are the components which makes the brand identifiable. Let's see the types of brand elements. First is brand name, logos, characters, slogans, jingles, packaging, URLs. Let's see in detail what is the meaning of brand elements. Brand elements are known as brand identities. These are devices that allows a brand to be identifiable and differentiable. We all know that all brands have different logos, different names, different symbols given to them, different jingles. These are all to make the brand different from the rest of the brands in the market. So brand elements comprises of brand name, brand symbols, brand logos, brand characters and so on. So let's discuss each type of brand element in detail. First is a brand name. Brand name is the most important element of a brand. If a brand name is catchy, it will register in the minds of the consumers immediately. So the brand name should be simple and easy to pronounce because easy brand names always occupy a place in the minds of customers. They stick in the customer's mind. Next is familiarity and meaningful. The brand name should be familiar to the customers and it should give some meaning to the customers. Next is differentiated, distinctive and unique. A brand name should be different from the rest of the brands in the market. It should not be similar like any other brand name. It should be unique and different. Logos and symbol. What is a logo? A logo is a graphic mark, emblem or a symbol commonly used by the commercial enterprises, organization and even individuals to aid and promote instant public recognition. So brand always have a logo. Now what is a logo? A logo is a graphical symbol which gives a unique identity to a brand. Some brands just uses brand name as their logo, for example Amul, IBM or Intex. Whereas other brands such as Nike use symbols like Nike uses swoosh or the symbol for Olympic is rings. Next element is characters. Characters represent a special type of brand symbol, one that takes a human or real life characteristics. So characters are usually promoted through ad campaigns and they help to create brand identity for the product. So example is of a Parle G girl. Parle G girl has given identity to a brand for so many years. The next example is of Mahashay Dharmapal Gulati, who is the co-founder of MDH Masala, and his image is displayed on the packaging of MDH Masale. So he is the character which promotes the brand. Next is slogans. Slogans are short phrases that communicates descriptive or persuasive information about a brand. So we can say that slogans are the descriptors which gives information about a brand. Slogan add to the brand name and are extremely important in building brand equity. Examples of effective use of slogans in India are Amul, Amul, the taste of India, सर्फ दाग अच्छे हैं, एशियन पेंट्स हर घर कुछ कहता है, LIC जिंदगी के साथ भी जिंदगी के बाद भी. From the above examples we saw that the brand descriptors, which are the slogans, are very important to convey the actual meaning or the benefits of the brand to the consumers. Next is jingles. Jingles are the musical message which are written around the brand. Catchy words and they have a tone which is hummable. The jingle for Cadbury Dairy Milk Silk or the jingle for Amul is very famous. Next is packaging. The role of packaging in marketing has become quite significant. One of the ways company can get consumer to notice the product. So a firm has to always make the packaging attractive so that it attracts the consumer's attention. Next are URLs. URLs are specific location on the page on the web and are commonly referred to as domain names. Having a URL in the name of the brand gives it viability and makes the search easy for the consumers. Many a times the consumer wants to get more detail of the products, and the consumers can easily get the details about the products on the URLs provided. Conclusion: each brand element has a different role to play in building a brand. The marketer must be able to use them in the right combination to create a memorable brand. So, all the brand elements which we spoke have different importance, have their unique importance. So, all these elements should be used properly to create a brand identity. That's all, students. Thank you.